Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to merge PDF files using Smallpdf. As you can see, we're currently on smallpdf.com, and on the home page you can see merge. We're going to click on merge. Then here you'll need to select the files. Because we want to merge PDF files, we'll need at least 2 files. So go ahead and click on select files, then select the documents you wish to merge. Click on open. As you can see, they're currently loading. The PDF2 has 3 pages and PDF1 has 10 pages. At the end, we should be expecting 13 pages. There are other options right here, and you can decide to sort them by placing the second one in the first place and the first one in the second place. This is pretty much up to you. Go ahead and click on finish, and this will start the process of creating a new document, which will have the merged files in one PDF. And as you can see, we have PDF1 merged.pdf, and you can see 13 pages. You can go ahead and click on download or export it or share it in link, print it or delete it, pretty much up to you. But this is how you can merge PDF files using Smallpdf.